Okay. My phone's all messed up, sorry. Alright, here's the milk truck that I was... Oh, they took the wheels off. Okay, here's the milk truck I was talking about. Don't worry, we got more wheels. It was used as a painting and sandblasting. Got a title for it. It's a 58, I believe. Let me do the zoom. Unzoom it. Ah, there we go. There's a lot of welding going on today out here. Smoke brain. Okay. The glass is good on the back. 8 lugs. Has the slidey door. It's got the traditional 50, I think it's 58 on, with the, or 57 with the V. Newer seats. Alright, is there a... I don't think there's... oh, there is an engine in there. There's I don't know what kind, but there is a 6-banger in there. Looks like a 235 or a 250. Milk truck.